What will we learn in this video? Hello friends, welcome back to English with Altaf, your favorite channel to learn English in a simple and smart way. Today's video is very special because we are going to talk about a powerful topic. English language learning tips for self-study success. Many students want to learn English, but they don't have time or money to go to an institute. They want to study at home by themselves, but sometimes they feel confused and lost. They don't know where to start, what to study, and how to keep going. So in this video, we will learn how to study English by yourself at home, what tools, habits, and methods can help you, easy tips to stay motivated and learn faster, and a complete plan you can follow daily. By the end of this video, you will know how to learn English alone, without a teacher or class, and become successful in your journey. Let's begin. Part 1. Why learn English by self-study? Before we talk about the tips, let's understand why self-study is powerful. Learning English through self-study means you are your own teacher. You choose what to learn, when to learn, and how to learn. Here are some benefits of self-study. 1. Learn at your own speed. You can go fast or slow. No pressure. If you don't understand something, you can repeat it as many times as you want. 2. Save time and money. You don't need to travel to an institute or pay for expensive courses. All you need is your phone, internet, or some good books. 3. Choose what you like. You can learn English through your favorite topics. Sports, cooking, movies, news, anything you enjoy. 4. Build confidence. When you study on your own and see progress, you feel proud and confident. You know you did it yourself. Part 2. Self-study tips to learn English successfully. Now, let's get to the main part. Tips that will help you study English successfully by yourself. Tip 1. Set a clear goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? For a job? For travel? For exams? To speak fluently with friends? When you have a clear goal, it becomes easier to stay focused. Write your goal and put it on your wall. It will remind you every day why you started. Example: my goal is to speak fluent English before the next 3 months. Tip 2. Make a daily study plan. Success comes from discipline. Make a small daily plan for learning English. Here's a sample plan. Time activity: 7 a.m. Learn 5 new vocabulary words. 1 p.m. Watch a 10-minute English video. 6 p.m. Read 1 page of an English story. 9 p.m. Speak for 5 minutes in English. Even 30 to 60 minutes daily is enough, but be consistent. Tip 3. Use all 4 skills every week. There are 4 important English skills: reading, writing, listening, speaking. You should practice all of them regularly. Reading: read newspapers, blogs, short stories. Writing: write your daily routine, thoughts, or short stories. Listening: listen to English podcasts, movies, or YouTube channels. Speaking: talk to yourself or record your voice. Balance is the key. Tip 4. Start with easy English. Many students try to read or watch difficult English content and feel frustrated. Start small. Choose children's books, easy English YouTube videos, beginner English podcasts, simple stories or news. Slowly increase the level as you improve. Tip 5. Learn vocabulary and context. Instead of memorizing word lists, learn words and sentences. Bad example: beautiful, angry. Better example: this dress is beautiful. He's angry because he lost his keys. This helps you remember and use the words easily in real life. Tip 6. Use free tools and resources. You don't need expensive courses. Use free and powerful tools like YouTube. Watch English learning videos like this channel. Duolingo, fun app to learn English daily. BBC Learning English, great for grammar and listening. Google Translate, for quick help. English podcast, listen while walking or relaxing. Telegram or WhatsApp groups, practice speaking. Tip 7. Create an English environment at home. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone's language to English. Put sticky notes on your furniture, mirror, door, fridge with English words. Watch English shows. Talk to yourself in English. Listen to English songs. The more English you see and hear, the faster you learn. Tip 8. Record and track your progress. Keep a notebook or app where you track what you learned every day. For example, April 1. Learned 5 new words, watched 1 English video. April 2, read 2 pages of a story, practiced speaking. After 30 days, you will see how far you've come. You can also record your voice once a week. After a few weeks, listen to old recordings and notice the improvement. It's a big motivation booster. Tip 9. Speak English daily even if you're alone. Speaking is the most important skill. Practice it every single day. Here are ideas. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe your day out loud. Repeat sentences from movies. Use speaking apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Even speaking to your pet or a wall is better than staying silent. Tip 10. Learn basic grammar slowly. You don't need to become a grammar expert, but you should know tenses, present, past, future, articles a and the, prepositions in, on, at, subject-verb agreement, he goes, I go. Take 1 grammar point per week and learn it with examples. Bonus section, how to stay motivated during self-study. Self-study is powerful, but sometimes it gets lonely or boring. Here's how to stay motivated. Join online communities. Find other learners like you. Talk, share problems, and support each other. Reward yourself. After completing a weekly goal, give yourself a small gift, chocolate, a movie, or some rest. Change the method. If reading is boring, try watching. If watching is boring, try speaking. Keep it interesting. Watch success stories. Watch people who learned English by self-study. Their stories will inspire you. Remind yourself of your goal. Look at your goal daily. Say it out loud. I am learning English to change my life. Example daily self-study routine. Here's a sample daily routine for a self-learner. Morning, 20 minutes. Learn 5 new vocabulary words. Use them in sentences. Afternoon, 30 minutes. Watch an English video. Repeat sentences after the speaker. Evening, 30 minutes. Read 1 page of a story. Write a short summary. Speak about your day in English. Night, 10 minutes. Listen to English podcasts while relaxing. Review the words learned today. That's only 1.5 hours in a day, and you will see amazing results in 30 to 60 days. Final quick tips. Speak more than you read. Listen more than you write. Make English fun, not boring. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be consistent, not perfect. You don't need 5 hours a day, just 1 hour daily with focus. Conclusion. What did we learn today? Let's quickly review what we learned in this video. Why self-study is powerful and helpful. How to set a clear goal and make a daily plan. How to practice all 4 skills. Reading, writing, listening, speaking. How to use free resources and create an English environment. How to stay motivated and track your progress. How to speak English daily, even if you're alone. And how to slowly but surely become confident in English. If you follow these steps, you can learn English at home, without a teacher, without fear, and with full success.